The blinking red light on an Alexa thermostat indicates that the battery charge is low and the thermostat will soon turn off. This issue can be caused by wiring problems or a faulty thermostat. To resolve the problem, inspecting the wiring and making any necessary adjustments is a good starting point. If the blinking red light persists even after recharging, it is likely that the wiring is the culprit, and checking it or enlisting the help of a technician may be necessary. To check the wiring, start by switching off the power supply to the heating and cooling system and unplugging the thermostat, ensuring the appliance's screen is blank. Next, remove the thermostat faceplate and check all the wires for corrosion or loose connections. Recharge the display through a USB cable for about 15 minutes, making sure it connects securely to the base. Then reassemble the faceplate, plug in the power supply and switch it on to see if the red light persists. If it does, a technician should be called to diagnose the issue. In some cases, the blinking red light may indicate a faulty thermostat, in which case replacement is necessary. By following these steps, the issue should be resolved, and the thermostat should function properly again.